Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are keeping fine. And children, along with your study, you are doing your written work also. Not only reading, but whatever homework I am giving you, I hope you are doing that also. Because children, I will give you one date next time and you have to submit your copy so that your copy is checked. Children, last time I have sent a video based on chapter 8, and in the Zoom class also I explained few part from that lesson, forward block and the INA, and I have introduced with the early life of Subhash Chandra Bose and the relationship between Bose and Congress, then rift with Gandhiji and rift with Congress. These all I have done in your previous lessons. Now children, in this class I will explain you about the Netaji's arrest and then formation of INA. Children, Netaji's arrest in 1940. 1940 he was arrested by British on defense of India, and he was Netaji or Subhash Chandra Bose went on hunger strike, and then his health started to decline. So he was released, but he was house arrested. Later on in 1941, he escaped from his house arrest, and it is famous, children, that Netaji was very good in disguising himself. He used to change his appearance, and he then, after changing his appearance, he eloped from his house, or he flew from his house, and it is said that traveling through Peshawar and Russia, he reached Berlin. He was greeted with the slogan Jai Hind from a large number of people, Indian people lived there, and they welcomed Netaji there. And slowly, children, the other event that took place at that time was the event of Southeast Asia. Children, large number of Indian lived in South Asia at that time. And children, then what happened was that war in South Asia in 1941, it caused a great problem to the Indian who were living there, and the living in that and the territory which was captured by Japan. And then they organized themselves. These Indian people, they organized themselves, and out of these organization, one of the organization, they had an idea of forming the Indian Independence League. And the shape of this league was given by Ras Bihari Bose. Ras Bihari Bose was actively participating in politics there. So he organized this league, Indian League, and children, Ras Bihari Bose only influenced Subhash Chandra Bose to participate in the struggle of Indian national struggle. And then children, he helped in formation of INA also. Now Indian National Army, children, INA, we known as 9AJ. The idea of Indian National Army was received in Malaya by Mohan Singh, and Mohan Singh was an Indian officer. He was working under the British Indian Army. Now children, what happened? He during war also he participated, and he fought from the side of British. But after the retreating, he did not join the British Army. He was the officer. Later on, he did not join the British Army. Instead of that, he wanted to help the Indians there in Malaya to organize a army that can help in the freedom fight or the freedom struggle that was taking part in India, children. So this all incident which I am telling you, this does not take part in India, but it was happening in the countries which outside India, not India. Now Indian prisoners at that time, the prisoners during the war, all the prisoners who were under Japan power under the Japanese. So all those prisoners were handed by the Japan rulers to Mohan Singh. And because why did Japanese do this? Why did they have the soft heart for Indians? This is because Japanese wanted to take revenge from the Britishers. So when they knew that the INA is formed to fight against the British, so they helped Mohan Singh by handing him over the Indian prisoners war, because Indian army also under the leadership of British, they also too participated in the war. So these prisoners were handed over by the Japanese to Mohan Singh, who introduced them into the INA. By the end of 1942, children, round about 45 men expressed that they were willing to join INA. So at that only, at least 45,000 people, they joined INA. Now children, in the meeting of the leaders of INA, those who were not in India but was outside India, they decided that they have formed the army, they will organize a good army, but they will not fight for the freedom in India until and unless the Indian National Congress asks them. They send invitation to them or the people of not only Indian National Congress but the people of India. They will, if they invite them, if they ask the INA to help them out for the freedom struggle, then only they will move ahead. So this is how the INA worked for the development of or to help the Indian National Congress. And the decision, the High Command, Japanese High Command at the conference, the following decision were taken: to expand and to strengthen the Independence League that was formed, I told you, by Ras Bihari Bose, to form under the overall command of the League of India Army INA, an Army of Indian Liberation, and to hold a conference and Gangtok to consolidate their decision. So in Gangtok there will be a conference where they will come together and they will decide what work should be done. So children, these were the work which INA had done for the to help the Indian freedom fighters. Now children, Bangkok conference. In the Bangkok conference was held in June from 18 June to 23rd June 1942, and more than 150 delegates from Malaya, Singapore, Burma, Thailand, Hong Kong, Manila, Java, and were present in the conference. It passed many resolutions, and these were that invitation to Subhash Chandra Bose to come from Europe and to lead the movement. You know that at this time Subhash Chandra Bose was in Europe, so they wanted him to come here and to lead the organization, to movement, and formation of the Council of Action, control and guide the whole movement. Then election of Ras Bihari Bose as the president of the council. In this council, president was Ras Bihari Bose was elected as the president, and appointment of Mohan Singh as the commander-in-chief of the Indian National Army. Now later on in the next class, children, we will study about the contribution of Subhash Chandra Bose related to INA, children. So children, I have taught you till here, till Bangkok conference. Later on only few points are left, like objectives of INA and the which I have told you, the contribution of Subhash Chandra Bose. Later on I will do and I will explain you either in Zoom class or I will send you the video. Children, if you have any doubt, please write it somewhere in your copy, so that when we meet in a Zoom class, you can ask me and I can solve your problem. So children, till then, please go through the lesson and take care of yourself. Have a good day, children. Thank you, all of you.